Hello and good morning from Ohio State Park, specifically the Laurel Highlands Hiking Trail. My name is Levy, and I just came up a really steep hill. But I'm also known as the book-loving hiker. You can find me on Instagram under that name. So today we are hiking on the Laurel Highlands Hiking Trail. We're going to be spending 3 days on here, going about 30 miles or so. So today we're doing the Ohio section. Not really too excited about this. This is my, I think, 5th or 6th time doing this section. So it's kind of old news at this point. But I'm really out of breath, so I'm gonna try and catch that. So this is really low compared to the other times I've been here. You can hear it trickle, but barely. I just passed the 1 mile mark. It took me about 20 minutes, not even. So I'm doing really good on time, which is nice. I know I'm gonna slow down once I start hitting some of the uphill though, so I'm just trying to keep a good pace while I can. Taking a break at mile marker 2. Just did a bit of a push uphill, got a little bit more of a push, and then I'll be up over the first hill. It's 2 hills and then a slight uphill to get to the shelter. So yeah.
And I'm watching.
I was really starting to feel like crap back there. So I stopped, had some pretzels, some M&Ms, and some water. I got Gatorade now in my water bottle. Yeah, the one thing I'm really bad about is fueling myself while I'm hiking. I don't know. I don't eat enough when I hike. And then I'll get to camp and want to eat everything. But that doesn't help with the energy while you're hiking. So it's something I need to work on. I don't think I ever showed what happened with that massive blowdown. If you're not sure what I am talking about, go watch my first video, my first hike with me video. But yeah, they cleaned it up excellent. Really happy for it. So camp is all set up. I have my clothes hanging here to dry so I can put them on tomorrow. But yeah, some of you might recognize this tent site. This is actually where I stayed in my, I think it was my first hike with me video. Yeah, but I got a really good pitch on my tent. I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna hang out, probably do some reading because it's not quite time for dinner. And I have some Fritos that I'm gonna eat while I read. So yeah, just kind of chill out. I made my dinner. I did a north side. I put way too much water in it. So now it's just soup, which is fine. I threw some chicken in there. And then I've got some hot apple cider. And then for dessert, I have, that's powdered creme brulee. So really good. So it's about 6:40. I am in my tent for the night. I've peed, I've gotten water. What I do need to deal with is this gear explosion. I just kind of was throwing stuff in here, but that's fine. It won't take me long to clean up because there's not a lot to clean up. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, do my journaling for the day, and then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Good morning. So I ended up spending the night in the shelter last night despite having my tent set up. About midnight-ish, I had a panic attack and wanted to be closer to people, so that's why I moved over to the shelter. I'm feeling better this morning. I'm still a little shook. I'm definitely tired. I didn't sleep well, but we're just gonna keep going. I debated if I was gonna turn back and go back to my car instead of doing another 2 days, and I decided that I'm going to do another 2 days, I think. Yeah. So this is gonna be me being real. I'm vulnerable right now, but I'm going back to my car. I reached the spot where you turn right to continue on and left to go back, and I couldn't make myself turn right. I think I'm still feeling some of the anxiety from last night. I thought I would be okay once I started hiking, but I don't know. I just am feeling really overwhelmed and anxious, and I'm just in this situation where I just want to be home right now. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going home. So I'm probably not going to film anything else for this vlog. So just thank you for coming along with me, and I'm sorry I don't have more footage or any good news. I will try this section again later at another point.